Hello mga children! Welcome back to Mikey Lifestyle. And our lesson for today is about how to learn Japanese faster. Number 1, master hiragana and katakana. And number 2 is learn common expressions. And number 3, study grammar with examples. And number 4 is fully understand the particles. And number 5, speak to yourself in Japanese. And number 6, watch your favorite anime. And number 7, make Japanese friends. Oh, naget nyo? Yung sa akin din, nanonood ako ng mga drama nung hindi pa ako marunong mag-Japanese, mag-Nihongo. Yung mga drama, syempre maririnig mo yung how to pronounce that Nihongo. Then, mai-input yun sa ulo mo. Yun ay matatandaan mo. Para yung pronunciation is matutunan mo rin. Ganun ang ginagawa ko nung ako ay bago pa lang dito sa Japan. At syempre, may mga tomodachi din ako na mga Japanese. At pag nag-uusap kami, syempre, Japanese din, pag hindi ko alam, tinatanong ko sila, ituturo naman nila sa akin at iyon ay natatandaan ko. Ulitin natin ha, how to learn Japanese faster. Master hiragana and katakana. Number 2 is learn common expression. Number 3, study grammar with examples. And number 4, fully understand the particles. And number 5, speak to yourself in Japanese. And number 6, watch your favorite anime. And number 7, make Japanese friends. Okay mga children, I hope na may natutunan kayo para alam nyo kung paano matuto ng Japanese na mas mabilis. Nihongo for faster learning. Thank you, and have a nice day. Mata ne, arigatou gozaimasu. Sayonara. Arigatou gozaimasu.